Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. Today we will analyze about this stock Ashok Leyland. Okay, let's see what's happening in Ashok Leyland. See, last day Ashok Leyland gave a very bearish sort of a closing. See, the stock gave a very bearish sort of a closing. Okay, now what are the levels for Ashok Leyland and how to trade them? First of all, let us draw a Fibonacci level. So this is the swing low and this is the swing high. So I have taken this as a Fibonacci level. Okay. So 108 is our 0 level and 138 is our 1 level. Okay. And after that, let us analyze this stock in 15-minute time frame. Okay. So let's see what has happened in the stock in the past 15-20 days. This stock is actually making this line as its resistance. Okay, this line, see this line is acting as a resistance for this stock Ashok Leyland. Okay, now what? Now see, this stock is taking support at this level. The level is 124.565, or you can say 123 to 124 region. Okay, so how to trade this stock tomorrow? Okay, let's see if the stock opens around here, this level. If it opens in this level, okay, if it opens in this level and if it crosses this 0.618 level, see this is 0.618 level. If the stock opens here, okay, if the stock opens here between 124.6 to 127.3, then there is no trading for this stock. Okay, if the stock will break this level 127.30 from the downside, let us suppose it opens here and it breaks this level 127.3 from the downside, then only we will initiate a buy side trade. Okay, once more let me repeat, if the stock opens here and crosses this region from the downside, then only a buy can be initiated for the target of 132.4 rupees. Okay, and if the stock breaks this support region of 124.7 like this, then we will wait for 123.7. If 123.7 is also broken and any candle closes below this level, then only we will go for short sell and target of 121.5. Okay, so this is our trading plan for tomorrow in Ashok Leyland. And let us analyze what is the long-term prospect of Ashok Leyland. Let's see this stock. This stock is actually, remove all drawings. Let's see. This was the swing high. Okay, this was the swing high and this is swing low of this stock Ashok Leyland. Okay, this was swing high and this is swing low of this stock Ashok Leyland. Now what? The stock is taking resistance at this level 136.3. So anyone if states and tells you that why this stock is taking resistance at 133, see 133, 134 to 136, this is acting as a resistance for this stock just because many people have bought this stock in 2017 at this region and the stock made a low of 33.9 rupees during coronavirus, and after that the stock has been rallying like anything. Okay, from 34 rupees it has moved towards 136.3 rupees, so it won't be easy for this stock to break all its level and go above. And now what? Now let us see what will be the crucial supports or entry points for Ashok Leyland for long-term investment. Let us suppose the stock comes till 116, then this will be our first opportunity. When will we invest for the second time? We will invest around 109. And if you want to further invest, then you can think of level 85.10. Okay, so this will be your levels for Ashok Leyland in long term perspective. And for intraday, if you want to trade this stock, then I have told you see this red line is acting as a resistance and this region is acting as a support. Stock is trading between this region. Okay, so as soon as it will go and hit this, it will take resistance and fall. If it will go towards here, then it will take support and bounce back, or if it breaks this support, then 116.9 will act as a support region for this stock. Okay, so thank you for watching, thank you for giving your time. Please do like, share and subscribe and comment your questions so that I can further identify some of the crucial levels for you. Thank you.